So let's read the problem. If the fourth and the seventh terms of a GP are 54 and 1458 respectively, find the GP. Okay, let's mark what is given here. The fourth term is given, the seventh term is given. The fourth term is 54 and the seventh term is 1458 and it's a GP. Okay, anything else? I guess that's it. So T4 equal to 54, T7 equal to 1458. What are we asked to calculate? We are asked to find the GP. And the GP is A and AR and AR square. Please recollect, in the case of arithmetic progression, it's A plus D and A plus 2D. But whereas in the GP it is A, AR and AR square. Okay. So let's list the formula. Formula is Tn equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. So this is a formula for an nth term because they have given T4 as well as T7. But if you look at it, we cannot use this formula because we don't know either A nor R. Both are unknown. So we'll have to figure out the ways to calculate this A and R. But if you look at it, you have two terms given. T4 is given, T7 is given. So using T4 equal to 54 in this equation, you will get one equation for AR. So AR to the power of 4 minus 1 equal to 54. Similarly, AR to the power of 7 minus 1, it's a seventh term, right? So 7 minus 1 will be equal to 1458. So using those two equations, you should be able to calculate A and R. Once you know A and R, then you can use this to calculate the GP. Okay, so let's summarize the steps. So let A and R be the first term and the common ratio of the GP. Substitute n equal to 4 because you are given fourth term, right? So n is 4. In the equation, Tn equal to A R to the power of n minus 1, which is a generic term, and equate it to 54 because we know Tn is, so T4 is 54. So this equation will become A R to the power of 4 minus 1 equal to 54, or AR cubed. 4 minus 1 is 3. So AR cubed is 54. Do the same for the seventh term, n equal to 7. So AR to the power of 7 minus 1 equal to 1458, or AR to the power of 7 minus 1 is 6. So AR 6 is 1458. Now if you look at this, equation 2 divided by equation 1, A and A will cancel off and you'll get R to the power of 6 divided by R cubed is 1458 divided by 54. Okay, so from which R can be calculated. Once R is known, you substitute R in one of these equations, say in this equation, equation 1, and calculate the value of A. Do you understand why I am selecting this equation? Because this is R to the power of 6, the calculation becomes very big. So R is small here. So always select an equation where the one which you are substituting is small. So here this is R is small. So use this equation. Okay. So divide 2 by 1 and calculate R. Once you know R, calculate A from equation 1. And once you know A and R, list GP, which is A, AR, AR square. You got it? So please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own. Once completed, please come back and check your working against our solution. So let's get to the solution. T4 is 54 given here, right? T7 is 1458. So let A and R be the first term and the common ratio. The formula is Tn equal to AR to the power of n minus 1. Use this formula for both the terms. Okay, so T4 will be AR to the power of n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, equal to 54. They have given it as 54. So this equation becomes AR cubed equal to 54. Similarly, T7 is AR to the power of 7 minus 1, that's equal to 1458. So we get AR to the power of 7 minus 1 is 6. So AR to the power of 6 is 1458. Divide 2 by 1. So AR to the power of 6 divided by AR cubed is 1458 divided by 54. this A and A will get cancelled. R to the power of 6 divided by R3 is R to the power of 6 minus 3. What's the formula? A to the power of m divided by A to the power of n equal to A to the power of m minus n. Okay, so using that you get R to the power of 6 minus 3. 1458 divided by 54 is 27. Try cancelling it. Use 9. Okay, 9 is divisible in both places. Check it out yourself. Okay, then this becomes R cubed equal to 27, and R is cube root of 27. What is R? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So R is equal to 3. Now you know R equal to 3. Substitute that here. So this equation will become A into R cubed, that is 3 cubed equal to 54. A into 3 cubed equal to 54. So A will be equal to 54 divided by 3 cubed. And what is 3 cubed? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 will go in 54 2 times. So A equal to 2 and R equal to 3. So this is the values for the GP. So what is the GP? A, AR and AR square. So A is 2, AR is multiply A with R, that is 2 into 3 to the power of 1, and multiply A with R to the power of 2, that is A 2 into 3 square. So this becomes 2, 2 3s are 6, then 2 into 3 square is 9, that is 18. So the GP is 2, 6 and 18, and A equal to R equal to 3. Okay, so I hope you got the problem right. If not, please check where you have gone wrong and make suitable corrections. If the concept is not clear, please go back to the discussion part of the video and try to review it. Okay, thanks for watching the video.